It is week 3 of the 12 fiber toys of Christmas here at the Woolery. It is also almost Halloween, so I hope there are candy apples and candy bars and candy pumpkins and lots of spooky stuff going on, and I hope everybody's having a really good time celebrating Halloween, but it's still almost Christmas and we're gonna stick with it. This is week 3. We've got a really great gift for y'all this week, so let's open it up and find out what it is. It's the 8-inch Schacht Easel Weaver. You can also say Weasel Weaver, that's funny. This is a really neat little item. You can weave small tapestries for your office or for your home. If you get started weaving now, you could probably get some out as gifts. They're thoughtful. You can make them however you want, whatever colors. It's a really neat way to be crafty. This is a nice kit. It's on sale for $52, and it comes with all of the items that you need. It comes with a beater. It comes with a weaving needle. It comes with a shuttle. It comes with a weaving stick. And it also comes with a shed stick. The easel itself is really neat. It's got this little stand so you can adjust it however you want. You can take it in the car, you can put it at your desk, you can sit on the couch with it while you drink wine and watch Netflix, whatever you want to do. It's a nice portable little item. It's on sale from tomorrow, October the 26th, all the way to the beginning of November, which is crazy, November the 1st. And that's it. We hope you have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next week for week number 4.